Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, this is what we'd call a tight shot. I'm just getting things set up here. And of course, this is what you'd call a wide shot. And for the video I'm about to produce right here, I need a wide shot because I have to show a little bit more products in the actual image. So what we're going to discuss today, if you look at the back, I have DJI written there, so you know it has something to do with DJI. And I'm trying to pronounce that as DJI because I'm Canadian, and when I say DJI, a lot of people hear DGI for some reason, but I'm always saying DJI. So the product I'm going to show you today, well, is actually a case. So the reason I'm going to show you a case is because you're probably like me. You probably have, let me see which ones. This is the Mavic 2 case that you get with the Fly More combo. It's a good case. It's portable, everything. And of course, I have the old original Mavic Pro case right here. It's also a good case. But I've been flying drones for years, and I live in Canada. And if you put these cases on the snow, they absorb water. And when they absorb water, well, things inside get wet. I don't know how many times I've come home after filming out in the snow and, well, the batteries are kind of damp and the bottom of the drone is damp, which is not a good thing. So these cases are not waterproof. And of course, I don't fly in the rain, so I've never put these cases down out on a rainy day. I wouldn't do that because they would just absorb a ton of water. But I have put them on wet grass and yeah, they get kind of messed up. So I've always liked hard waterproof cases. This is a hard, almost indestructible case for the Mavic Air that Freewell sent me here. And they sent me this when the Mavic Air first came out. And I love this case. You see it in all my videos of the Mavic Air. I also have hard cases for almost all my drones except for the Parrot and Naffy and the Autel Evo. Don't have any hard cases for them yet. So with the Mavic 2, there's lots of hard cases on the market. And finally, DJI came out with an official hard case for it, which I just received. It just got dropped off at my door just now, so I'm going to take a look at it with all of the rest of you. Here we go. Inside, nicely packaged. There we go, that's what's inside. And the reason this is the official product is because of that tiny little sticker right there. See it? It says Mavic 2. That's basically what you're paying for. This case is probably about $20 more than it actually should cost. It costs about $119 US, at least at the time that I bought it. It should probably be $100, maybe $99. Maybe it should be a $70 case. I don't know. I'm sure you can find cheaper cases on the market, but this one here, since I have a YouTube channel and I fly the Mavic 2, thought I might as well get the Mavic 2 case. So let me take it apart and look inside to see if it's actually worth $119 US. So like all hard shell cases, it is waterproof. It is pretty much indestructible. Hey, it's even got a DJI sticker on the side telling you all sorts of interesting stuff. Check that out. Camera focus on that. There you go. So check that out. And of course, that's what you pay for right there. On the front is that. So it is a black case, waterproof. It's got the little thing to let out air. Little sticker on the front so you can write your name on it if you want. I never do. Let's open up and see what's inside. It's got nice latches. They secure very nice and tight. Let's open it up the first time. Let's see what's inside. Anything? Oh, I see there's something. Wow, DJI puts a piece of cardboard in that shows this, which is... yeah, it tells you exactly how to put it in. It says you can fit 10 items in here, and it tells you how to put them in the case. So this is what the case looks like. It's pretty cool. Foam on the top, and if you look on the inside, it's very well detailed. It's very well carved on the inside for all sorts of Mavic 2 accessories that would fit. So I'm going to fill this up with the Mavic 2 right now, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's probably got more space in here for more things that I would actually need to put in there, but I'll just fill it up and see what I get. Ah, interesting. Hang on a second. Look at below the Mavic 2, where you put the Mavic 2 Pro, this actually comes out so you can fit more stuff below it. So according to the sheet, it says put the car charger and the little, looks like a little USB adapter. Stick that underneath. It fits down below. I'm not going to bother with that right now. Alright, so basically everything you get in the Fly More combo kit fits in here plus a few extra things. So, I haven't taken everything out of here because I really don't use all the stuff that comes in the Fly More kit. But here we go. So there it is. I don't know if you can see it back there. There's what I have put in. I still have a lot of space for other items. And when you close this up, it's extremely tight, waterproof, and of course if there's condensation inside, it has like all the good cases right here on the front. You have a little dial that lets the condensation out. So things won't get stinky or smelly inside, no matter if it's hot out or cold out, and moisture will always escape and won't stay in. Here we go, a little size comparison. That's the Mavic 2 Pro case, and that's the Mavic Air case, side by side. You can see the size right there. Not too bad. And if you watch all of my videos, you'll always see that I have a GoPro sticker on everything I use. The reason I do that is because when I go out to fly, and there's other people around and I throw my case down and other people have a case, it's kind of hard to find your case because they're all black. So I put GoPro stickers on all my stuff because I use a lot of GoPro products and they always come with a lot of stickers. So, all right, there we go. So now, hey, it's a Captain Drone case. I've got my little GoPro sticker on it. You know, I really should get Captain Drone stickers like on my t-shirts, stick them on all my products. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put a link below to where you can find this product on the DJI website. If you check around to stores in your area, you can also find this product because they're very popular and they've just come out in the recent past. So all the stores are collecting them. And no, I have not tried this out because I just opened it up, but I'm sure it's like every other case on the market that's solid and waterproof. It will do me well over the winter. So anytime you see me out with my Mavic 2 Pro in the wintertime, you'll see this case around. All right, thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next one.